In this video, I'm going to show you how to register and sign up for summer reading challenges using the Beanstack webpage. This is the Beanstack homepage for the Oshkosh Public Library. If you have not yet created an account, the first thing you're going to want to do is to choose this Register for an Individual or Family button. If you're the teacher of a daycare class or the leader of another group, you can use this Register a Class or Group button. But most participants will be registering as an individual or family. So then we just have to follow the prompts. So the first thing we're going to do, or the next thing we're going to do, is to register yourself. So you're going to enter your information. Choose the year you were born. And then it asks, would you like to add another adult? If you have another adult in your household, you just click yes and you can register them also, or just choose no. If you're a parent, you're going to want to add your children to the account so that they can register for summer reading challenges. So the first child that we're going to enter for this example is going to be a teenager. Then we'll also add a middle-aged child. All right, for the middle-aged child, two options for the summer reading challenge popped up. For kids, they can choose one or the other or both. So they do work together if they want to choose both. So the Kids Summer Reading Challenge is our traditional challenge of reading 20 minutes a day, 5 days a week. You can pre-register for that here, just by clicking on the button. It'll ask the grade level, and what school they attend. If your child is homeschooled, you can just choose homeschool. And if you attend a school outside of the Oshkosh Area School District, you can simply choose other. Right, and this is a registration badge, so you've unlocked the first badge. The chapter book challenge is for kids who can independently read chapter books. There's another registration badge we just unlocked. All they have to do is check in. So then we're going to hit next and continue our registration process. So we're not going to add another child at this point. All right, so now up here in the left-hand corner, it shows you who you are viewing the screen as. So this is the adult that we just registered, and it says the Adult Summer Reading Challenge is coming soon on June 15th. You can also click into the child, and it shows you the reading challenges that you pre-registered for. Kids Summer Reading Challenge, of course, if it's after June 15th. You won't have to pre-register, you'll just register for the program. But says they both start June 15th. So then to see a challenge, you can click into a challenge and it shows you the potential badges that you can earn. So the first one starts June 15th. It won't let you start clicking on activities and registering them as done until the start date. So the first activity is day 1, read for 20 minutes or more. Once you finish that, click that. The next day, day 2, read for 20 minutes or more. When you finish that, you may click the box to show you're done. And you continue to do that. At the end, it asks you to complete a family fun activity, like playing a game together, going for a walk or a bike ride. Doing anything fun together as a family counts. Or you can read for 20 minutes and then also complete an outdoor activity or read for 20 minutes. Once you've completed all the activities for a badge, this badge will turn colors showing you've earned it. For every badge you earn, you get a ticket and it will allow you to put them in a drawing for grand prizes. The chapter book challenge, you can choose 3 different badges to work on. So for around the world, you travel around the world via book, one book, and you have to read one book for each continent. This is chapter books. So you read one book set in Africa. If you need help finding a book, you can click on this link, and we have you can click on the link, or you can visit our website on the Kids and Teens page and find suggestions for that. So as you complete those books, just check it off and then you will have earned the badge. If ever a badge says you've earned a prize, you can call the Oshkosh Public Library and arrange for pickup of your prize when curbside services resume. If you have any additional questions about these challenges or about using Beanstack, please feel free to call the Oshkosh Public Library at 920-236-5208 and we'd be happy to assist you.